What is regenerative medicine? Dr. P here, and that's a question I was just asked on one of my social media channels. And I think the best answer there is basically using our own body to help heal itself. And to simplify things here, every day we kind of beat ourselves up, our body gets little areas that break down, and then we go to bed at night and our body heals itself. That's very simplifying things, but the bottom line is if we didn't have these healing potentials and things in our body, we would fall apart. Now, sometimes the breakdown goes faster than the body can heal itself, and we might get a stress fracture, or we might get a tendonitis, or a partial rotator cuff tear, or things like that, even arthritis. And so what happens is regenerative medicine helps use the body's own healing potential, sometimes platelets, PRP, bone marrow cells that have stem cells and other cells that help the stem cells in it, and things like that to help the body heal itself. So I guess that's my short answer to what is regenerative medicine.